Introducing Recipe for a Friend by Junior Learning. Designed for ages 5 and above, this social skills memory game encourages kids to identify the many good qualities of a friendship, as well as the bad friendship qualities that will spoil the broth and end the game. To play, place the cards face down around the game board. Each player should take turns to flip 2 cards over to make a good friend pair. If the card illustrations match, make your own pile of matched cards. If the illustrations don't match, place these cards face down again. If a player picks up a bad friend card at any time, they must place this card in the frying pan and end their turn. Once all 3 bad friend cards have been turned over, each player can count their matched pairs. The player with the most friendship pairs wins the game. Each set includes 20 good friend cards, 3 bad friend cards, and a game board. Get your friends and family together to play this friendship matching game. Junior Learning, for the love of learning.